minute.
Hello! So we are at Ikea. Let's see what we can find. This is a tourist destination for Shayla and Mom.
Get closer. Well, wait.
Okay, so we all walked around the corner and this is what we saw. So everybody do your reaction again. Look at all that. Oh my goodness.
Look at it. Look at the chocolate up there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at the strawberry.
Oh, licorice. Oh my goodness.
Ellie's got the bag. Ellie, the bag is not a parachute.
It is not.
It is not a parachute, Ellie. Hey, Ellie. Ellie's so excited. Why are you so excited? Ellie loves their meatballs here. She says they're the best meatballs ever. Yep. Okay, somebody tell me what this thing is. I think it's broccoli. It's good. Do you like it? I don't know.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. That's so weird.
What do you think?
It does taste. It's a broccoli fritter or something. I don't know.
What do you think? Broccoli fritter,
Do you want to
we
buy
think?
salmon?
Okay, hold on. Okay, I can't leave my daughter alone in Ikea.
No, do your pose like this, like you do.
Okay, Shayla, tell them the deal you just got.
What?
Okay.
My nightstand? Okay, so I saw these. I came over the clearance section. This one's $15 less. The only thing I can find wrong is these little scars right here.
Oh my. So you got the same exact one that you already wanted.
$15 less.
Yay.
$25.
Woohoo! Okay, and now here's all the rest of it.
Saving money on the pen.
Oh my, Ikea on a dime. There we go.
IKEA on a couple $100.
Ikea on a couple $100. And there's Nan about ready to collapse. Nan's not ever coming back to Ikea because she's going to collapse. All right, so what did you think of your first trip to Ikea? Did you live?
It was cool. Yeah, a little overwhelming. I wanted to buy one of everything. I can't take one of everything home with me.
It's a pretty cool
I'll
store.
be back again.
Ooh, that means you're coming back to Colorado? Yay! Hello, I am Tara, and this is my sister-in-law, Shayla, from Living on a Dime. And she came out to visit us in Colorado, and we went to the thrift store in Ikea.
Yes.
Wow.
Like 5, 6 hours, 7 hours?
Yeah,
total?
so we
Like
spent
that?
7 hours total. We spent 4 hours alone in Ikea.
Yeah. I've never been there, so.
Her and Mom had never been there, so we literally looked at every single thing Ikea had. I'm sure we did. So it was a boatload of fun. We were all super worn out. We are going to show you some of the things, well, all of the things that we got. Now, first of all, Shayla got this really nice end table, and tell them the story about your end table.
Well, the story. Well, I wanted new ones, nightstands actually.
Oh
End
yeah,
table,
nightstands. Yeah.
So I found what I wanted. They were $40 a piece.
Yep.
So after we were done shopping, you know, the end of the Ikea store, you kind of go through the warehouse and you pick out your boxes of furniture and whatnot. So with my nieces, my wonderful nieces' help, she crawled into the storage racks.
Her hardcore came in handy, didn't it?
You know, like the big home improvement store racks, and got my 2 boxes out for me. So then we were headed to the checkout, and there's a clearance section. So I cannot hit the clearance section. So we had to hit the clearance section. Excuse me. And I found one of them on clearance for $25 instead of $40. We spent like 10 minutes searching that thing to find out what was wrong with it. There's kind of a scuff on the leg.
I don't even know if that's a scuff though. That's what I was wondering.
I'm gonna stain them a really dark walnut anyways. So whatever, who cares? For $15, no big deal.
So you got a good deal.
Yeah, I mean,
Hit those clearance sections because they're
$65
really
for 2 nightstands. I mean, I do have to finish them. They're an unfinished pine, but
we're used to that. We do that all the
not
time.
a big deal.
Yeah.
I'd rather spend a little cheap and then make it how I want it than versus buying it.
Yep. So that was her big good deal
So
that
was
she
my
got at
big deal.
IKEA.
Mhm.
So we'll go back and forth a little bit. I got way more than she did because I got a bunch of things for the business, but I'll go and do my couple of soap things that I got, and then I'll have Shayla do her curtains. I got these little flower molds, make great little embeds for my soaps. Found those, haven't seen these before. Those are super cute. And then I got 50 of these spatulas.
We
Now,
only got black and white. They
now,
had other colors.
they had other colors, and you're gonna say, well, Tara, why did you get 50 spatulas? Well, I'll tell you why. These are perfect for soap making. And in homemadesoapmakingsupplies.com, I'm selling a beginner soap making kit, a starter soap making kit, and I'm putting one of these in each one. So I got 50 of these to put in each of those kits. They're really nice and sturdy.
I think I might swipe one.
You can swipe too. I will let you swipe too. And then, here you go. Merry
Thank
Christmas
you.
early. And then I got this shelf liner right here, there also. And it has this little nubby stuff that I think would make a really cool pattern on the sides of my soap. So I'm gonna cut it to fit my molds. I got 4 of these so I can do 4 batches at a time.
Yeah, to put it like on the bottom and the sides.
Yeah.
So when you cut it, it has a cute.
Yep.
Bubbly.
Yep. So I got 4 of these to line all of my molds. Hopefully it'll work. I'll try it with one. These were only $3.99.
Oh, is that all they were? Oh, well, shoot.
And if it doesn't work, then I'll use the others either for shelf liner or if we happen to head back to South Denver, which is more than an hour drive for us.
Not worth it to return them.
No. But if I happen to be heading down there sometime in the next year, I can return them if I want to. So that's
a year return.
yeah, they do.
Wow,
I know.
that's amazing.
Isn't that great? So, so I got those for my soap making. These were, I think, $1.49, and these were 99 cents. So, super happy about that. Okay, so show them your next deal.
So, same clearance section that I got the nightstand on. Again, I know I've bought like 3 sets of curtains since we've been here, but if we have
You're
to have
ready to
anything, I'm telling you, if we have to have anything, actually, I mean, for what I paid for these, this pair from IKEA was $10 for the pair. I can resell them to friends or family or something, coworkers.
Facebook,
I mean,
Marketplace.
yeah,
Or, yeah.
and get my money, if not.
So how much
make
did you
a
pay
few
for these?
dollars. These were 10 for the
For
pair.
the pair.
For the pair.
Well, that's really good.
$10
That's
at
really,
IKEA.
really good. Yeah. Okay, so then I don't know if you guys remember, one of our viewers sent me these. They're like a sponge and a paper towel in one, kind of. Have you tried these?
Oh, I've tried something similar, and I do because I use these specifically to clean my bathroom and only my bathroom, and I go through like one a year or something.
Yeah, I love
yeah.
them. So I got a couple of these just to do the same thing because I really, really love them.
I don't like to use the same rags in the bathroom
No.
as I do the
Well, I
kitchen.
bleach
It's kind of-
mine, but yeah.
Just kind of a thing, but yeah.
And then I got this cutting board for $1.49. I need a new cutting board for the show. Mine's getting all messy and messed up, so I got that. Okay.
Yeah.
Show them your baskets.
Okay, so the nightstands and tables, they kind of have a top and then like a cavity and then a drawer. So like in the cavity, I got these baskets that I'll just slide right in, and I'll, my lotion or medicine or whatever I want to put in. But I'll keep it contained and cute. These were $10 a piece. Spent a little bit more on these, but they fit perfectly. I thought by the time I make 50 trips to the DAV to try to find a pair, or I just thought, you know what, I'll just.
Yep.
So that
Think
was
you
my
made a good call.
big spender.
Okay. Now my big spender was these lamps. Now, I have been looking. Can you see it right there? Ta-da. I have been looking for lamps to go next to my bed, but hang on the wall. But I need a plug.
Right.
And I've been looking and looking, and the
Used to be
cheapest.
really common.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not anymore. And the cheapest ones I could find online were like $80 each for the kind that I was wanting and needing. Went to IKEA, found these. Now they're silver. I don't want silver, but I'm just gonna paint them. They were $17. I got 4 of them because I wanted 2 for the living room and 2 for our bedroom because I have these tall, skinny lamps, and they're nice, but they keep getting knocked over.
Well,
So-
and my preference is the more you can get off the floor, the better.
The better.
Because
I agree.
I don't like bumping into things when I'm vacuuming and whatnot.
Yep.
So if it's mounted on the wall,
It's better. That's the way I am. Okay, show them your salad spinner.
Oh, I just got always wanted one of these silly
You've
little
never had a
things, but
salad
I've
spinner?
never had a salad spinner.
Really?
No, so I think it was $4.99, so I was like sold.
Try a salad spinner.
I'll use it.
There you go.
I sure will.
Okay, so Ellie liked this really cute candle, so I got that for her Christmas present. And then my measuring cup, the numbers have worn off the side, so I can't read how much it is. So I got me a new measuring cup. This was, I think, $2 or $3, I think. Was it?
Frugal tip.
What's the frugal tip?
Take a Dremel and etch the numbers into Sorry.
Now you tell
I
me.
didn't know that's what you thought.
Yes.
I mean, for $2.50.
Is that what you did
whatever,
for
but-
yours?
No, I think my dad actually did that to
Oh,
one of my
that's
mom's
pretty
even
smart.
glass ones. He
Oh, that's what I was
kinda
wondering.
took a Dremel and
Okay.
I just thought of that.
Well, there you go. Okay, show them your bowl.
I kind of have a thing for mixing bowls.
She
salad
has a
bowls,
big
so
thing for mixing bowls.
I have a few vintage Pyrex sets. I have
Yep.
some everyday plastics, but I use them.
She does use them. Yes.
I mean, I do use, we have a fridge downstairs for David, so when I meal prep something, I'll take a couple bowls for him to have food for the week
Yeah.
downstairs a lot of times. So
Yeah.
I just thought it was pretty. Pasta salad, be really cute in there.
And it was only $2.50.
Yeah, I mean,
Super cute.
heck
Super,
yeah.
super cute. Okay, so her thing is salad bowls. My thing is, I like trying. I like trying different juices and different flavors and stuff. So this is a blueberry drink concentrate. I'm gonna try this on the show. This one is a lingonberry. I'm gonna try this one on the show.
Could you add a couple drops to tea even?
Oh
Just
yeah,
plain?
you could put it in tea.
Mhm.
You could do like
Sprite.
ginger ale, Sprite,
Yeah.
whatever you wanted, or just plain seltzer water.
Freeze.
Yeah, and
Freeze
this
them
one,
and use them as ice cubes. And
yeah, you could. That's a good idea.
Mhm.
This one is apple and lingonberry. Gonna try this one. So that's my little thing. And then we both, we both got one of these. These were what, $2? I think they were $2.
Yeah.
Love
It's
them.
just super cheap, super thin.
Thin.
Yes.
So it can get under the pancakes easy and flip. I love that. And then, as you guys know, if you watch the show, every show I'm saying, I need a strainer for something or another. And they had a strainer, and it was, oh, I feel like the romper room lady.
Oh, do they know who the romper was? That just Kansas thing?
No. Apparently it was like nationwide.
Oh, really? I thought it
Yes.
was Kansas.
I see Shayla. I see Tara. I see Mike.
Michael.
I see Jill. So I finally got me my
Shows your
strainer.
age.
I was thanks. So I'm really glad I finally got my strainer. Then I need a small little dustpan. My children keep walking off with my dustpan and not returning it. Drives me bonkers. This was like $2. Super happy. And then I got 4. They had these LED light bulbs for 99 cents. We love LED light bulbs.
Yeah.
They're the best ever. And they're super expensive. So we're going to try these. And if they work good, then I'm going to make a trip down to Ikea
Just to buy them?
just to buy some.
I hear Dollar
sometime.
Tree has pretty good ones too.
Oh, do they?
FYI. That's what I hear. I've never tried them, but
Okay, so comment in the comments
If you've
below,
tried the
IKEA or Dollar Tree. Let me know.
Mhm.
Because we love these, but the ones at Lowe's stink. Makes me so mad. They were supposed to last 20 years, and they burned out in 6 months.
Well, with an average life.
Yeah, but I wasn't. These are places like Jack's Closet where they're not on all
Not
the time.
on? Oh, man.
Now the kitchen I could see, but
Yeah.
really hacked me off. So this was our huge haul from IKEA. I felt really good.
I did too.
I got a bunch of stuff that I've actually been needing and wanting to take care of those little irritations in life, like the lights and the strainer and the measuring cup and all that.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Yeah.
all right, guys. Thank you, Shayla.
Thank you.
She didn't want to come on. I said, "You're coming on." See what family
Thank you
does.
for toting me around all weekend.
Oh, we had fun, didn't we? We went to Estes Park twice and
Twice, yeah.
I know. I didn't know this, but Shayla had never been clear up to the top of the mountains at Trail Ridge Road.
Yeah.
How have you been married to this family for 24 years?
Well,
and not...
I think like you said, it's more been winter trips.
I
that
think
we
it has. Yeah.
Can't go up there, but.
All right, guys, please visit us at livingonadime.com. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye.